2, 1. And it's a sit over. 9 feet 8 inches long. How much does it weigh, Dad? About 60 pounds. Going up in an M1419. It should do about, what, 35? About 5,000 feet. We're going to see a main shoot at about 700. 3, 2, 1, launch. For the main to open.
Oh, come on, catch a little wind.
Oh boy.
No joy.
Deb charges an extra for that. Here comes the nose.
Pad 21. We got Patrick Cody, Colonial Viper on H25. Clear. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, nice little post. Come on, shoot.
Stable both ways.
Oh no.
Boom, stuck on the ground.
Bent body tube city. Out. Okay, pad 24, Mark Hanna. Got a Gemini Titan on 2 H128. This is a cluster, so this is very much a heads up, guys. Okay. You got a range of sky clear. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Take that plane out.
Parachute would be good. Oh, God.
Yeah, it was like Sherry's Hot Rockets have a, 229 millimeter Titan II. I was looking at, but it's like, with a low power, you can get away with having, a motor on fire.
Take it out.
Heads up on the end of the flight line, guys. Over your heads. You haven't already seen it. You're clear. And it's down. Okay, after that wonderful exciting flight. Pad 25. Dave Harbaugh. Got an Aerotech Barracuda on F42. Okay, range of sky clear. Motor ejection. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Joe Bodnar with a Norca. The yellow rocket out there and a G71. Nose cone is going to recover separately. Okay, range of sky clear. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heads up. Heads up.
Oh, no.
3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, bad. I think it blew out the nozzle. Oh, and nice
Didn't quite make it.
Okay, Tony Petrus. 3, 2, 1.
So how do these parachutes open? What triggers them?
Some are motor ejected, and then some are altimeter ejected.
Oh, I see.
The ones that break apart at FPG
Okay,
can be motor
Andrew Kleinhans of Greenfield, Ohio. He's got a boomer on 3 E12.5. So this is a heads up. It's all cluster should be.
When can I do my fat one?
Okay, it's the red and yellow rocket there. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What about my other rocket?
Heads up on the
Look,
end.
Dad, what about my other
And
rocket?
we're safe. 90 feet out. We're good. Okay, pad 9. Melody Clune. We've got a Cinderella on E18. I think this one flew a little while ago. Okay, range the sky clear.
I ran in a row.
5,
Come on.
4, 3, 2, 1. That got him the same way. Kind of tangled a bit. Okay, we're clear out there.
A lot of wind today.
Maybe not. Backsliding a bit.
She's alright.
Alright, we're safe. Okay, range is cold. Replace igniters.
How's it going?
Great. Well, losing a rocket doesn't count.
Oh, he was a little faker.
This reminds me of where I work. There's a lot of rocket scientists there too.
Working in an aircraft maintenance hangar. Together here.
More rocket scientists.
That's right.
Where are you from?
Well, we're originally from Syracuse, but we're from live in Las Cruces, New Mexico now.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, so
Where they blow the atom bombs off too, or?
yeah, a little ways from there, about 200 miles from that
Well,
place.
they wouldn't fit into that thing.
Well, that's fiberglass.
Oh, fiberglass. Yeah. Try again, right?
I had a 235.
4, 3, 2, 1. Two, one. It bounced nicely. 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1. Heads up at the flight line. Oh, ouch, hit hard. And he's up. This is the only rocket that's flown at all 12 previous night powers and both national championships held here. This is a modified Lock 4. And I got an Aerotech I-211 medium, spec 1100 meters, about 3,500 feet. And it's painted after Jeff Bodine's 1996 Thunderbird. So, let's see. How things up to you, Dave? As long as you're going to get. Okay. Range safeties go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tanya says lift. Those off, at least pad 2, which I think is all set except for the rod angle is a little off. High.